If you already have a Yahoo Mail account and you want to create another one, this guide will walk you through it step by step in the fastest and easiest way. Whether you need a second email for work, personal use, online signups, or better inbox organization, Yahoo makes it simple to add another account. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail in your browser and make sure you're signed in to your current account. Once you're inside your inbox, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where Yahoo keeps your account options, and it's the place you need to start from if you want to create another mail account. After you click your profile, a menu will appear. From that menu, choose Add or Switch Account. This option is useful because it lets you manage multiple Yahoo accounts from the same device without having to sign out completely. Once that menu opens, click Add Another Account. Yahoo will then show you the option to either sign in to an existing account or create a brand new one. Since we're creating a new Yahoo Mail account, click Create Account. This will take you to the sign-up page where you can enter the details for your second email address. You'll usually need to type in your first name, last name, the username you want to use, a password, your birth date, and sometimes a mobile number for verification. Make sure the username you choose is available, because Yahoo won't let you continue if someone else already has that email name. Take your time entering the information carefully. For the best results, use a strong password that you haven't used before, and if possible, keep it stored safely in a password manager. This helps protect your account and makes it easier to access later. If Yahoo asks you to verify your phone number or confirm your identity, follow the prompts on the screen and complete the verification step. Once all the details are filled in, review everything one last time and then finish the account creation process. After that, Yahoo will create your new mailbox and you'll be able to switch between your old and new accounts anytime from the profile menu. That means you can keep both accounts active on the same browser or device and manage them separately without any confusion. And that's it. You've successfully created another Yahoo Mail account, even though you already had one. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to go. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.